Hey guys, Matt from Oars. So I'm still working on the A6, but look at what I got at the weekend. I drove 100 miles, but I got the full S-Line kit in white. Front bumper, back bumper, side skirts. They're in fairly good condition. The front bumper's got a little crack in there. You can probably see it. I'm going to repair it on the channel, but the back bumper is mint. It's got no scratches, no marks on it. There is some scuffs on the bottom of the side skirts just along the bottom, but I think that'll come off with some teak cut or some compound. I think I'm going to start by giving these side skirts a bit of a clean up and removing the tar off them, and then I'll fit them onto the car. Okay, so I managed to get it off without breaking any of the clips on it. It was actually quite hard to get it off, so now it's just the same process in reverse to fit the side skirt. Okay, so that's that one fitted. It looks a lot better already. I like the flare out just at the end here. It's going to look really nice when we put the wheels on. Now to the same process on the far side. Clearly you can see the difference between the two side skirts. The S-Line one's got a nice profile on it, and the SE one doesn't have any profile. I think the S-Line one looks much better. Okay, so that's the side skirts on. Now it's next on to the rear bumper. Okay, so that's the old bumper removed. Now just to connect up the parking sensors when I'm putting on the S-Line bumper. And it should be just a reverse of just what I did. Okay, so that's the back bumper fitted, and look how much better that looks. It looks really aggressive looking. I can't wait to get the front bumper repaired and on the car. I'm definitely going to increase the value of this car by a lot. I just gave it a quick wash and I brought it outside. It looks really, really good. The S-Line bumper I think is actually wider at the back, and obviously the side skirts have a nice lip on them as well. I still have to get a set of the LED lights for the rear, hopefully I can pick a set up fairly soon. The wheels should be here today, and if they do come today I'll fit them on and hopefully finish the video tonight. So the wheels never arrived yesterday guys, but I got a phone call this morning from the courier and look at what he had for me. These are the 20-inch, they call it TTRS here, but they're pretty much a replica of the Black Edition wheel. I got the 255 35R20 tyres on them. They come in two different finishes. There's a clear finish, a shiny finish, and then there's a matte finish. I went with the matte finish. I think it looks a lot better. So let's get the car in and put them on. So that's the first one on. Don't they look good? They're really going to suit the car. Just do the other three now. These wheels look crazy. I forgot to mention as well, I got the wheels with a deeper concave on them as well, which means the centre is further in than the outer side of the rim, which is just a cool look, I think. Okay, so that's all four wheels on. Let's bring it outside and see what it looks like. Okay, so today we got the back bumper fitted, we got the side skirts on, we got the new wheels on. It's starting to look really good. We've this damage here to do on the bottom of the door next. We'll probably be doing that in the next video. We need to get the front bumper on also as well. I have to keep looking out for a set of the LED rear tail lights as well. There's another shot of the wheels. They look really, really good. Also, we'll be changing the front bumper for the S-line front bumper in the next video as well, as soon as I get that crack repaired and get it painted. I think we're well on our way to doubling the value of this car, which would be, I think the value will be around 13,000 to 14,000 euros by the time we're finished. I hope you join me in the next video. Thanks for watching, guys.